gonna do for you? Pull the trigger.
Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna
So before doing your first drive, after building the engine,
Yep.
you warm it up, which we just did.
Yep.
And then you gotta...
So you're supposed to put in just like whatever oil, just like, you know, standard Walmart oil. And
Okay.
then you put a zinc additive. Zinc helps the bearings wear in. It helps with lower friction for the longevity of the engine.
Okay.
And then you dump out that motor, the motor oil. There's maybe like 10-15 minutes of runtime on that oil. Dump it out, throw it away. Throw in whatever oil you want, and then just take it for a drive. Start driving it.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and check the level of the oil right now.
We sending it.
He's full sending everything. All right, guys, so we're doing a few checks before the first drive. Did the oil, and then it's doing the coolant. Anything else we're gonna check? That should be
That's all
it.
it takes, right?
That's all it
Engine
takes.
runs on oil. Cools with coolant.
What kind of headers you got on here?
These are Texas Speed.
Texas Speed.
1 7/8 inch headers.
Damn. Right. Corvette is ready to go. Alright, I'm gonna wait outside the car until you get it on the road. This is so raw. How's it feel?
I can't go hard in the paint yet.
Soon enough. Oh, this is ridiculous. Your exhaust. You can't even have a conversation in here. Like. Yo, this suspension is so stiff. Yeah, compared to my boat, this will break your back. Just saying, like. Yo, those crackles and pops.
Straight up gunshots going on.
Yeah. Damn, dude, we're so tiny next to that thing. Look at the difference. We're sitting at his like tire level. So you just want to move forward down there?
I don't think we can make the...
It's terrible because it's in the third lane.
Yeah, I know. But it is what it is.
No brake.
Off the brake.
I put it in park.
Push it in the shade.
Try turning it on again and then put it in gear. There you go.
There you go. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, forward,
We'll
forward.
stop in the shade.
Yeah, move it up the street a little bit.
Watch your feet.
Watch out.
Watch your feet.
Yeah, get up.
There you go. All right, right there.
Okay, you guys are right there. Stop and you should be good. Bye guys, good luck.
See ya.
Alrighty guys, so I moved him to the side of the road. He should be good here. We're gonna head back to the Corvette. Left my stuff in it and it's unlocked. Let's see what happens when you deprive a guy of his car for 6 months.
Hey.
He parks like this to take pictures at a gas station. But hey, can you blame the guy? 6 months without his Z06. I do gotta say, it does look good. I like the block and yeah, the theme. Once you get it all cleaned up, you're gonna be looking nice. Alright, let's go to the road.
Woo, that was fun.
That was fun, that was eventful. Alright, so give me your first impressions of the first drive back on the road. How does it feel?
Not worth the amount of money that I paid for it. That's for damn sure.
Really?
Not worth it. Maybe after it's tuned.
Oh, and you want to cut us off too, boy?
I can see the appeal though. I can see the appeal of driving a straight pipe Corvette. If you want everyone to look at you, this is how you do it.
Insane, guys. Absolutely insane. I've never heard anything this loud on the road. On the road, that is just...
So we're putting stock mufflers on.
Yeah, he's going back to stock mufflers after this. The reason being is, like, everyone's gonna hate him if he keeps this setup, especially like in his neighborhood. Because like, you may think your Hellcat's loud or your Challenger's loud. No. Like we're here and he's like passive on like just a scale of how loud.
Sounds like gunshots.
The crazy thing is actually you feel it too.
Yeah.
Like it's not like just the sound. It has like a bass to it. It's nuts. Alright, that was intense. Definitely what a ride. For sure, can't wait till you get it tuned and take me for that real ride. The one where we actually get to see.
The one where we have no traction.
The one where we actually get to see what this thing's all about. Alright, so I'm gonna peace out here. Everyone say bye to Richard. I'll let you guys know when his channel is up and running. Did you know what you're gonna call it at least? You want to tell the viewers anything?
I don't know, my name's Richard. Does Dick sound pretty good?
Huh?
I don't know.
Okay, that was not rehearsed or anything. That was just pure Richard being Richard. Alrighty guys, so catch you guys later. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you did enjoy it, as always, make sure you leave a like on it. And subscribe to the channel, hit that notification button to make sure you guys are updated every time I post. We're going to be posting more of this beast. Obviously, you guys know my car over there. So, yeah, we'll see you guys later. Peace.